And now the 22 News Storm Team forecast.
And time now is 12:14. Winter storm watch is up for everyone out there. We do have the accumulating snow on the way for Saturday evening through Saturday night into Sunday morning. This is just because the National Weather Service has really high confidence we're going to see plowable snow as we go again through Saturday evening, Saturday night into Sunday morning. The wind advisory is up until 4 p.m. today. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour, and that has verified in some spots. We actually saw a wind gust at Westover Air Base in Chicopee of 48 miles per hour this morning. Westfield, for now, you can definitely see the flags blowing pretty strong there. Some wind gusts around 30 miles per hour in Westfield at the moment. And taking a live look out in Chicopee, you can also see a sun and cloud mix, and overall the afternoon's fine besides the wind. You got the wind out of the northwest for now, sustained at 26 miles per hour. Springfield 18 miles per hour in Westfield. When we look at the temperatures, 33 in Northampton, 35 is the temperature in Springfield, 31 in Greenfield. You factor in the wind, it only feels like it's 15 degrees in Greenfield, 19 in Westfield, 22 is the wind chill currently in Springfield. So going through the rest of the day, these temperatures are also going to continue to fall. We back down into the 20s as we go into the evening. Eventually by tomorrow morning, a lot of us are going to wake up in the upper teens and low 20s. So for the rest of the day, sun and cloud mix, windy. That is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast focus. Heading into the weekend, all eyes on the next chance of snow. That comes in Saturday night into Sunday morning. It looks like a plowable snow. 4 inches plus is likely for most of us, and I'll talk more about that in just a moment. And then we got another system to watch. One for Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then another one potentially Thursday into the day on Friday. So we got a good amount of snow to keep an eye on, at least in the next week. So right now we're mostly dry out there. Got a few flurries in the Berkshires at the moment. You can see some flakes flying around here in central New York, and every now and then we get a flurry or two into the Berkshires. The 22 Storm Team Skycast here, 12 p.m. today. Notice how the flurries just stay in the Berkshires there, some of the higher terrain. We're dry here in the valley. We stay dry into the evening, into the overnight. 10 o'clock here, we're fine. And then as we go into the day tomorrow, we're going to slowly bring in some cloud cover through the morning on Saturday, but we're mostly dry through much of the day. I'll call it partly sunny tomorrow. 12 p.m. here, still a sun and cloud mix. Even the evening, 6 p.m. we're fine. It's not until around 8, 9, 10 o'clock we bring the snow in. Here we are 10 p.m. on Saturday. It is starting to snow. Heaviest of the snow looks to come in around and after midnight. 3 a.m. here, still snowing. 5 a.m. in the morning on Sunday, still snowing. And we eventually start to see the snow taper off around 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. By 10 a.m. on Sunday, just some leftover flurries. But it's dry as we go into the afternoon, and especially when it comes to the Super Bowl in the evening, it's all out of here. So widespread 4 to 8 inches looks likely for everyone. I think 5, 6, 7 inches would be a pretty common total. Best chance, of course, for the 8 inches would be in some of the higher terrain, but really everyone's at fair game again for 4 to 8 inches. But it looks to be a pretty solid snowstorm for this, for us. We haven't really seen anything like this in a little while. So snow starts 8 to 10 p.m. on Saturday evening. Steadiest will be 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. So a good 6 hours of some pretty steady snow looks to be likely. Heading into the morning on Sunday, snow wraps up 8 to 10 a.m. We're dry for the afternoon. So again, any Super Bowl plans on Sunday look fine, especially in the evening. But then we watch more snow potentially Tuesday, Wednesday of next week is the next storm after this one. So temperatures out there 32 to 36, a chance for a flurry in a few spots, breezy through the rest of the day. We'll see increasing clouds through tonight, 14 to 20 for the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast. Snow comes in tomorrow evening. We see the snow continue through tomorrow night into the day on Sunday. Monday looks fine, and then heading into next week, we got Tuesday into Wednesday, a chance for some snow, and another chance of snow possible on Thursday. Those high temperatures staying in the 30s over the next 7 days. Want to check out our latest forecast? You could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.